Hey guys, Self-Player, I've got a restarted bird at my window. As you can see, it's trying to spawn inside. Please clean the windows and the bird. Oh, there we go. This is just taking a break. Almost got me.